Who is a just ruler? Is it the one who wins elections, the one who enforces the law, or the one who fears God? Justice in leadership has never had a single definition. It reflects the values of the society that defines it. In ancient times, justice was tied to divine order. In Plato's Republic, the just ruler was the philosopher-king, wise, rational, guided by truth. In medieval Europe, kings ruled by divine right. Justice meant loyalty to God and church. But with modernity came a shift. After the Enlightenment and revolutions in America and France, justice became linked to rights, law, and representation. A just ruler in Western political thought became one who governs through institutions, constitutions, and public accountability. Max Weber described 3 types of authority: traditional, charismatic, and legal rational. Modern states rely on legal rational authority, power justified by laws and bureaucracy. From this perspective, a just ruler follows procedures, respects rights, and operates within institutional limits. John Rawls later argued that justice requires fairness, social systems arranged to benefit the least advantaged. But sociologists also question whether systems truly serve everyone. Pierre Bourdieu showed how elites maintain power subtly through institutions. Michel Foucault argued that power is everywhere, shaping what counts as truth and normality. So even democratic rulers can reproduce inequality while appearing just. From an Islamic perspective, justice is not only institutional but moral and spiritual. The Quran commands rulers to uphold justice even against themselves. Early Islamic history presents Umar ibn al-Khattab as a model: accountable, accessible, living simply. Justice meant protecting the weak, ensuring economic fairness, and fearing divine judgment. Ibn Khaldun, one of the earliest sociologists, argued that injustice destroys civilizations. When rulers tax excessively, exploit people, or lose moral authority, social solidarity, asabiyya, declines. Malik Bennabi later emphasized that leadership must renew moral and intellectual vitality, not just maintain power. The Western model focuses on systems and rights. The Islamic model adds accountability before God and moral responsibility. One emphasizes institutions, the other emphasizes character rooted in faith. Both warn that injustice leads to social decay. So who is a just ruler? Perhaps it is not simply one who holds power legally, but one who uses power ethically, serving people rather than ruling over them. If justice defines leadership, would today's rulers pass the test? Like, share, and subscribe for more deep sociological reflections on power, faith, and society.